Even though it's been a very nice day today, we still have the same issues that we're watching with a fire danger that is still there. Again, not a red flag warning, but just a fire danger statement issued by the National Weather Service for really all of us here in Metro Atlanta, North Georgia, down into Central Georgia too. And it's still because we have really dry ground and dry air with that low humidity that will help the ground to really dry out a little bit more here in any of that underbrush, and fires could start easily and then spread. We still don't have a lot of wind though, so that's one thing that's kind of in our favor there too. The other thing that we're dealing with in the air, the pollen. Take a look at this. Our pollen count for today, 6,345. That's more than double the highest count that we've had so far this year. The main pollens present are oak, pine, sweet gum, birch, and sycamore. Grasses are on the lower end. Weeds are high. Mold is moderate. So just know we're not finished with this yet. We're going to have more extremely high numbers here on Saturday. Once we get into Sunday, we're going to see some rain come in, and that will help to knock these numbers down from Sunday into Monday. But with that rain, we have to watch for the potential for some stronger storms with that too. You can kind of see it in the air here. We have hazy conditions. A lot of that is that pollen that is floating around out there in the sky and that you are breathing in. Now, the other thing we're watching, that line of storms that'll be moving in. We're going to have some showers on Sunday. We think at this point that shower activity will be below severe limits and below weather impact alert criteria. But on Monday, we do have a weather impact alert in effect as a line of storms moves in early on Monday, ending by afternoon, we think, with some heavy rain, strong wind, the main threats. The tornado risk is on the low end. So for now, just stay alert, make some plans, just kind of keeping alert with how you would get some warnings here during the day on Monday as the system moves in. We're dry now, but this is what we're watching, and even a tornado watch for parts of Texas and Louisiana. It's still going to take a while for that system to move in. Tonight, we're going to be dry. Tomorrow, we're going to see a little better coverage of clouds around in our area, but we're thinking the daytime hours Saturday will be dry. You can see that moisture moving in from the west. Some of that pushing in overnight Saturday and into early on Sunday morning. But again, we think this will be just general showers, maybe some thunder and lightning, but we don't think that would be severe. And then scattered showers in the afternoon on Sunday. Then it's overnight Sunday and into Monday when this line is going to be moving in. This is at 7 o'clock in the morning Monday. That'll be pushing our way, exiting later in the afternoon hours. It's that part of the system we have to watch very closely for that potential for some severe storms. So Saturday dry, Sunday showers, a couple of thunder showers around, but no alert for Sunday. We do have that weather impact alert for Monday with those storms mainly early in the day. Dry Tuesday, and then a 30% chance for showers coming back Wednesday and Thursday, going back to 20% on Friday as we warm to the mid-80s by the end of next week.